Come on! It's to the floor. It's bad for it. It's bad for it. 117. Hopefully it'll do a good burnout.
We make the strings louder.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today is new project car day. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this thing out of here and see what it is. You guys ready for this? So this thing is a 2004 and it has 84,000 miles on it. I actually bought something that's nice. This thing's beautiful.
And these things look like the biggest turds without the Evo shit on them.
We pop the hood?
I don't know if we're ready for that.
Oh, wow.
Oh man, look at this. You think this
That
shit,
looks like nobody's even been in here before. Oh, there it is. It's even got me back. Maybe I think I should just turbo it and leave it auto, just how it is, and we'll just
turbo it and blow it up, see how much boost they can take auto.
and then like it'd be funny leave it with that, but like put the Evo front end and all that stuff on it, and then it's just like the single cam.
Brand new tires.
Been painted. Custom weather tag. What if it has a seat back here? Spring checking, man. This right here is a 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Sportback, which is gonna be an Evo wagon here soon. If you guys didn't know, Mitsubishi actually made a wagon version of the legendary Evo, but they only made them in Japan and a couple other little countries. I think they imported them, but there was only 2,500 of them ever made. I actually seen one in Japan in 2015, right after I sold my Evo. I went over there for a couple weeks with Aaron Losey, the guy with Lone Star Drift. And at the track, they actually had a orange one of these. I'll see if I have a picture of it on my phone, but I took a picture of it, and that was literally right after I sold my Evo 9 that I just got done building. So I've honestly never even seen one until I bought this one, and I bought it sight unseen. So my buddy, Larry Pina, he is the guy who shoots all the pictures and stuff. You probably know him as Mustang Larry from PFI Speed. Shoots a lot of stuff with them and goes to a lot of events with him. He actually lives down in San Antonio, and he actually picked this thing up for me. So huge shout out to him. So the thing about the wagons is that they did not make any Evolution wagons in the United States. They made this base model, which is a 2.4 liter front wheel drive automatic transmission. It doesn't have any wide body quarter panels or anything like that. Just basically looks like a grandma car. So this is probably the cleanest one or the lowest mile one I could actually find. So there's only 2 of them for sale in the United States when I actually found this one. This thing has 82,000 miles on it, and it is super, super clean. Interior looks almost like new. Smells great in here. And again, 82,000 miles, but automatic, all that type of stuff. If you come over here to the back, got that whole wagon life. If you guys don't know anything about me, I'm kind of a big wagon guy. I have a Saab wagon. Jamie has a BMW wagon. I have that Mercedes wagon over there. I built like 3 or 4 Saab wagons, and you know, I just always kind of wanted an Evo wagon, and since they don't make them over here in the United States, I think it'd be a great opportunity to actually build one. So if you guys haven't been paying attention to the reflection in the thing, this is a car that will be revealed shortly. We will talk a little bit about it, but you can see the differences. Obviously, you know, sedan wagon, but right here, these body lines right here are basically the exact same until right here, and that's where the wide body comes out. So you can really see the difference in both cars, just sticking them, looking at them from the back. So the wagons, the Evolution wagon in Japan actually comes with wide body quarters, and it's basically a wider door too. The door sticks out, and then you can see the front fenders stick out a lot more. So they actually only did an Evo 9 version of the wagon. So this is an 04, but cool thing about the Evo 9s is they have the nice Recaro seats with the Alcantara in the center. These things look really nice. And then we'll actually go ahead and show you guys kind of the similarities under the hood. Differences between these cars is the front end of them. So you can see this Lancer is just, man, the headlights are ugly. everything about it just doesn't look that great. And then you come over here to this thing, and you're like, damn, it's a nice looking car. So single cam, 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder mated to an automatic transmission, and front wheel drive configuration only. And then we have this over here. We got the 2 liter all-wheel drive manual transmission, turbocharged with, you know, obviously the rear wheels spin and do all that stuff. So kind of the plan is to take everything out of an Evo and swap it into here, including the rear diff, axle, subframe, fuel tank, all that crap, the interior, and then actually get the wide body doors, or make wide body doors, and the wide body quarter panels. So I don't know if we're just going to cut the ones off of here and put them on here, figure out a way to do it, or actually order the ones from Japan. But yeah, we got lots of stuff to figure out on here. There's been a couple people in the United States that have attempted to build Evo wagons. I think there's been 2 on the forums that I found. And one guy kind of got started on it, did the wide body quarters and did the Evo front end on it. Nothing else really happened with it after that. So I would like to be the first one to actually complete one of these. As far as I know, there's not really any even imported wagons in the United States. Maybe you guys could let me know. But yeah, definitely stoked for this project. But as of right now, like I said, we're not going to talk anything about this right now in the details with this or the purpose. We'll reveal that later. But for right now, what I would like to do is take this thing actually out on the road and get some performance data. So I have a draggy, which measures like 0 to 60 times, quarter mile times, 60 to 130 times. And so I would like to go do basically all of that in this car and then show you guys the progression. So obviously we're going to be pulling out this good engine, and you know, it runs and drives great, 82,000 miles on it. So I would like to play with it either by, you know, slapping a turbo on it, you know, whacking some nitrous through it, something like that before we end up pulling it out. All right, guys, so this thing does some weird stuff when you start it. That's the only, I don't know, that's the only thing that's wrong with it. And then it just runs fine after yeah, after it does that, it's fine.
Do you think it's like an idle air control valve or something?
I think there's like a mouse or something stuck under the dash, maybe. Like a drive-by-wire throttle. It's like start nibbling on it.
Yeah.
Starts nibbling.
Go short.
Yeah. How do you think we can mount a turbo in? It's nice. Freedom.
Freedom, yeah. Bogged.
Here we go. Sounds like it has a little turbo in it already. Zero to 60 in 11 seconds.
Oh man.
And counting.
We should take me out and see what the difference is. Should just fly past on the rumblies.
Wow.
How many? It felt like, hold on, let me take a guess.
Ooh, guess what the
42 seconds.
Guess it to what?
To 100.
We didn't even get to 100.
Oh, God.
We didn't even get there. So the 0 to 60 was 11.7, and the quarter mile was 18.13. 18 seconds for the
At
quarter
probably
mile.
like 74 miles an hour.
84, probably.
84.
And I don't even know if this thing would hit the, like, to do like a 60 to 130.
Oh, I don't think it'll do 130. There's no way.
It might take forever.
Yeah.
I think we should try it. Ready?
Load up the inverter. It looks like a Tesla. 13.
All right, here we go, boys. All right, 60.
This is sketch. I feel so sketch.
About 100. We've been at 101 for a while.
Look at the tack. The tack is it just shifted now.
We're going up a hill.
103.
I don't think it'll hit 130.
105.
Fine, going down this hill.
Oh, downhill. Here we go.
Come on. We need to like roll. Look at it.
110.
Oh!
You're kidding me. Come on.
Come on, 14, 115.
Come on.
Are you
Come on.
It's to the floor.
It's bad for it. It's bad for it.
117, 118.
It's 120. Guess 120 at least.
I wanted
I don't think he's
to,
gonna do it.
I wanted a 60 to 130.
We're stuck at 118.
Maybe that's
We're literally stuck at 118.
That's all she's got, Captain.
It ain't going. That's it.
115. That's it, buddy.
That's all she wrote.
118. Maxed out.
Wow. That, like, the Civic was so fast. It was like, and then it was like,
Yeah, it was like 4 seconds.
like 4 seconds. Like, I couldn't wait to get to 130 to like hit the brakes because it was so like
fast.
sketchy.
Yeah.
And this thing, we're just like, did you see how long it was on rev limiter?
For a while.
Yeah.
Like, it took forever to shift. And then it slowed down going up the hill. Well, I guess it probably has a limiter. Like a 100,
Governor or something.
118 mile.
118 is where it stays.
But the speedo goes to 130.
You're gonna be one of those guys, huh?
Yeah. Got 130 on the dash.
Yeah.
The draggy, look at this. It has a perfect like draggy mount in it already. Little quick connect draggy. Wow.
That's right.
Well, hopefully it'll do a good burnout.
You gotta get out of the water, man. That's like the epitome of a one-wheel kill. How flat spot do you think those rear tires are now?
Oh, that's probably right. Did you hear it shift from first to second, and then it just bogged down again? Yeah. I was trying to set the cruise control, and it didn't work. Should we do another? It does.
Do it again.
It's got some more grip now. Yeah, these things were brand new. Yeah, we almost need to swap them.
Yeah.
So we don't. So we could do another one. Or should we save that for the nitrous?
Yeah,
Because we already know what it'll do.
Yeah, let's save for nitrous. Let's see what she does.
Or the turbo. We'll just.
Or both.
So that means we have to do 4 stages. So we have NA. Then we're gonna have 1 tire for nitrous, 1 tire for a turbo, and then what else? Turbo and nitrous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it makes it that far.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and found a bunch of my my nitrous stuff. I have these 2 purge valves, this little Zex watt box thing, and a little wet shot kit right here. I have a couple jets, some different lines, and 2 bottles. I think this one has a little bit of nitrous in it. This one might not, but yeah, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna see how much nitrous this thing likes, and then if it ends up liking nitrous, we might try to throw turbo on it. Meanwhile, while we're trying to find some parts to convert this thing over to an all-wheel drive Evo. So stay tuned.